Today we have submitted a memorandum to the Mayor and the Commissioner of CCP by Panjim Hotel and Traders Association. I am the convener of the same association. We have come forward because of the licensing for this year. This year they have put number of conditions by the CCP. Earlier, when Suren was the mayor, he had relaxed those conditions. And now they have asked compulsory fire licenses for small shops. We said examine the small shops, and I also spoke to the Director of Fire Services, Mr. Menon. He said they are working out with a policy where self-declaration will have to be done, and it is pending with the government. And in those below 50 kilos of gas, they also will have to give self-declaration. That is the proposal by the fire department. We are saying we are overburdened with a different type of taxes, like GST has nearly ruined the businesses, like because we have to put extra labor workers to do that taxation. This plus different, there are about 12 departments which are connected with the hotels. Like we appreciate food and drugs. They have got 5 years, 10 years plan for the advanced licenses. Shop and establishment also. Why not CCP? CCP is charging us boat tax, trade license, garbage tax, and every year they are increasing. And what is the service given by the CCP? Nothing. Yet they put different conditions. So let them have business-friendly licensing policy. And since the mayor is also a businessman, and he was a colleague in earlier education, he knows what is the problem. And today we have been assured by the mayor and the commissioner that he will see that some relaxation is being done.
The Hotel and Traders Association regarding the trade license issue, ताका फायर NOC आनी हे सगळे दिवपाचे आमी हे सगळे तांकां लायसन्स रिन्यू जावपाक इजी जाता तशें आमी सोल्युशन काडटले कमिशनरा कडेन उलोवन. इवन आतां कमिशनरान सांगलां की फायर NOC एका 3 months हे टायम हे करून रिन्यू केल्लो आसा. सो आमी हेजेर सोल्युशन काडटले. इवन आय वील टॉक टू द कमिशनर.